This is a hornbill electronic deadbolt. This is a lock that I want to like. I really do. It's got the keypad. It's got a fingerprint sensor on it. It's got a gateway so you can hook it to your Google Home. But the only problem with this lock is the core. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use just a multi-pick standard hook and a multi-pick turning tool in 1mm, top of the keyway. So nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1. I didn't even get any feedback, but I set all of those. So that's the hornbill electronic deadbolt.